Hello everyone, hello teacher. My name is Trần Thị Ánh Tuyết. I'm 16 years old. I'm a student in class 10A4 in Nguyễn Huệ High School. Today, I'm really happy and excited to learn and dig deeper into the topic that everyone is focusing on right now, which is environmental protection. As everyone knows, our Earth is facing many big environmental problems like extreme weather change, pollution, and many kinds of animal and plant disappearing. So protecting the environment is very important. It is not just something we can choose to do not. It is a must. All of us from government and community to at present need to work together on this to understand better what you are thinking, what you are doing, and what a good idea you have to protect our green planet. Now we will talk with students to learn more. Hello, Thư. Can you tell us a little about yourself?
Hello teacher, my name is Nguyễn Thị Thư. I'm student in class 10A4 at Nguyễn Huệ High School. Can you ask you some questions about the topic of environmental protection?
Yes.
Okay, question 1. In your understand what the protecting the environment means? It means preventing harm to the natural world, including its ecosystem and resources from human activity. Okay, question 2. Why is this process increasingly important in our current time? Due to increasing pollution, resource depletion, and climate change impacting our planet health. Okay, last question. What are the fundamental goals of environmental protection? The main goals are to ensure sustainability, conserve biodiversity, and maintain a healthy planet for all life. Okay, thank you.
Hello, can you tell a little about yourselves?
Hello, I'm really happy to be here. My name is Hồ Anh Phương. I'm a student in class 10A4 at Nguyễn Huệ High School.
Can you ask your questions about the topic of environment protection?
Yes.
What are the primary sources contributing or pollution in many regions?
The many causes of air pollution include smoke from vehicle and factory, and the burning of materials like coal, wood, or trans deforestation and forest fire also make the air more polluted.
What are the significant environmental and healthy consequences of water pollution?
Water pollution, have fish and other aquatic animals. It also makes the water unsafer to drink. People who drink dirty water can get sick or even have dangerous diseases.
What are some key solutions to mitigate air and water pollution effectively?
We can protect the environment by using clean energy like solar and wind power, planting more trees, and avoiding dumping waste in drivers. Also, using popular transport or bicycle can help reduce or pollution.
Okay. Hello, Thuận. Can you tell a little about yourself?
Hello teacher, my name is Juan in class 10A4.
Can you ask your some question about a topic of environmental protection?
Yes,
How are the main issues at social case with the increased amount of solid waste?
landfill sucking of plastic pollution in the of harmful chemical in the release of harmful chemical into the soil of into the soil and harmful and water.
How do land pollution and degradation negatively impact the environment?
This destroy habitat, cancel so quality can and can contaminate food cancer.
What are some sustainable strategies for managing and reducing land pollution and waste?
Making the 3IS recycle, composting, organic waste and reversible dispose matter.
Hello team, can you tell us a little about yourself?
Hello teacher, my name is Kamachi. I am student in class 10A4 at Nguyễn Huệ High School.
Okay, can you ask you some questions about the topic of environmental protection?
Okay.
Okay, question 1. How can the adoption of renewable energy sources help protect the environment?
They protect less pollution and greenhouse complex price fuels mitigating climate change.
Okay, question 2. What are some effective ways to conserve natural resources like water and forest?
The first for water, reducing consumption and preventing pollution. Next, for forest, sustainable longevity and reforestation.
Okay, the last question. What role can technology play in preventing renewable energy and conservation efforts?
Developing more efficient solar panels, wind turbines, and water saving technology.
Okay, thank you, Martin.
Hello, can you tell a little about yourself?
Hello teacher, my full name is Nguyễn. I am a student at class 10A4.
Can you ask your some question about the topic of environmental protection?
Yes.
Okay, what are some key sustainable practices that industries and businesses should adopt?
Reducing waste, using resources efficiently, and investing in cleaner production methods.
Okay, how can effective government policies contribute to environmental protections?
Setting environment standards, enforcing regulation, and providing incentives for green initiatives.
Okay, what is the importance of international collaboration in addressing global environmental issues?
It is central for tracking issues like climate change and biodiversity loss that transcend borders.
Okay, thank you.
Hello, Chang. Can you tell us a little about yourself?
Hello, teacher. My name is Hoàng Trần Thanh Trang. I'm 16 years old. In student class 10A4 in at Nguyễn Huệ High School.
Okay. Can you ask you some question about the topic of environmental protection?
Yes.
Question 1. Why is it so for students to be educated about environmental issues?
They are the future generation who will face and need to solve to environment challenges.
Question 2. What are some ways students can raise awareness about environmental protection among their peers?
Through discussion, presentation, social media campaigns, and leading by example.
Okay, the last question. How can schools effectively integrate environmental education into their social curriculum?
By incorporation environment science into stress and organizations curriculum and activity.
Okay, thank you, Trang.
Can you tell a little about yourselves?
Hello teacher, my full name is Nguyễn Lân Thiện. I am a student in class 10A4 at Nguyễn Huệ High School.
Okay. Can you ask your some questions about the topic of environmental protections?
Yes.
Okay. What are some protection actions students can take within their daily life to protect the environment?
Reducing waste, conserving energy and water, and choosing sustainable products.
Okay. How can students contribute to environmental protection within their school and community?
Participating in recycling programs, clean up event, and advocating for green policy.
Yes. What personal responsibilities do students have toward environmental sustainability?
To be mindfully of their consultant, make eco-friendly choices and educate others.
Thank you.
Hello, An. Can you tell us a little about yourself?
My full name is Phan Như Bảo An, class 10A4.
Okay. Can you ask you some questions about the topic of environmental protection?
Yes.
Okay. Question 1. What is your vision of for a healthy and protect environment in the future?
A world with clean air and water, thriving ecosystem, and a blend between humans, activity, and natural.
Okay. Question 2. What role do you see for future generation in ensuring environmental sustainability?
To be still there of the planet and work for environment justice.
Okay, the last question. What is one immediate step you believe individuals should take to protect the environment?
To reduce their single-use plastics consumption in immediately.
Okay, thank you, Anne.